Welcome guys, I am here to do a quick upgrade per se to my S2000. Today we're going to be installing the high sparks for my coil packs. High spark Japan. These will double the output of what I currently have, the ignition projects. So it's going to be a quick little upgrade. So it shouldn't take me too much time, and this will be probably just, so this should be pretty quick. Just take these 10s and pull them out. And now back they go. Then we got these anti-noise to install with the bolt, so there's less noise.